Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about the clone method. Okay, this method is present inside the Cloneable interface. Okay, this interface is present inside the java.language package. So what is the use of clone? It is used to return the copy of the object. Okay. Let's see this example. Here I have created the class. This is my class name. Implements Cloneable. Here I have used the implements keyword. Why? Because this is the interface, not the class. Okay. That's why I have used the implements keyword instead of the extends keyword. Okay. Inside the Cloneable, we have the clone method. That method is used to return the copy of the object. Okay. And here I have created two variables, roll number and name. Roll number, data type is integer, name, data type is string. So what is this? This is the parameterized constructor, isn't it? Here, this is the name of the class. Okay, constructor name should be same as the class name. And here, I have the parameters. So what type is this? This is the parameterized constructor. And here I have used this keyword. We know already. This is used to refer the current class reference. Okay. This dot roll number is equal to the parameter value. Likewise, this dot name. This belongs to this class. And this name is this parameter value. Okay. And I have created the main method. Execution starts only from the main. And inside this main method, I have implemented the try catch. I have implemented the exception handling to maintain the execution flow of the program. Okay. In order to avoid the runtime errors. Okay. Here inside the try block, we have to place the suspicious code. If any error is raised, means this catch block is responsible to handle the error which are raised inside the try block. Okay. And this is the clone not supported exception. Okay. One of the inbuilt exception class. Okay. Here I have created two objects, S1 and S2. For the same class. Okay, my child class. And this is the interface. And here new keyword is used to create the memory for S1 during the execution of the program. And this is our parameterized constructor. Okay, so after encounter this line, the control carries these values and jumps from the 23rd line to the parameterized constructor here. Okay, and this 101 will be stored inside the roll number and Amit will be stored inside the name. Okay, and then roll number, name will be initialized with the help of the value of roll number and name. That is 101 and Amit. Okay, and the control again jumps back from the 12th line to the 25th line. Here, this is our second object for the same class. But here I have used the clone method. So this method is used to create a copy of this object. Okay, this method is used to create the copy of this object. Okay, that will be stored inside this new object. Okay, and this is the casting. Okay, so it returns the copy of the object. Inside the round brackets, I passed the name of the class. Okay, casting is done here. Okay, and the copy of S1 will be stored inside the new object S2. Okay, and the values of S1 and S2 will be printed on our console with the help of the println method. Okay, S1.roll number, S1.name. The S1 values of roll number and name will be stored inside the S2. So, the same values, roll number and a name will be printed on our console. Okay. Here I have used the exception class. Clone not supported exception. If any error is occurred means this is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. Okay, that inbuilt error will be displayed on our console. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Okay, let me execute this one. So this is the output for this one. S1 roll number, S1 name. Okay, due to this clone method, the values of S1 is copied inside the S2. That's why we got the same value for S2. Okay, S2.roll number and S2.name. Okay, so this clone method is used to return a copy of the object. So Cloneable is nothing but the interface. This is present inside the java.language default package. Okay, so inside the Cloneable we have the clone method. Here I have implemented the inheritance concept. This class implements Cloneable. So with the help of this object we can call the method which is present inside the Cloneable interface. Got it? Now let's discuss about the differences between StringBuilder and StringBuffer. Okay, the differences between StringBuilder and StringBuffer are based on two parameters. The first one is mutability, the second one is performance. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have created the package. Package name is module1. Okay, and I have imported the StringBuffer and StringBuilder. Okay, both the classes are inside the java.language package. Okay, java.language package is the default package, so there is no need to write like this. Okay, and I have created the class StringBuff. Okay, inside this class I have created the user-defined function concord1. And this method is the static method. So we can call this method without the object of this class, isn't it? And inside this user-defined function, I have created the argument S1. Its data type is string. Okay. And here I try to concatenate S1 with the U string. Is it possible to concatenate this U with the S1 string data type variable? No. Why? Because here I have used the string data type for S1 variable. This is the immutable, that is non-changeable. Okay. So if we create any variable as string means if we try to change the value of the variable means we won't get any errors, but concatenation is not possible because the feature for this string data type is what? Non-changeable, that is immutable. And here I have created one more user-defined function concord2. Class is StringBuilder. Okay, and S2 is the object for this StringBuilder class, and inside this StringBuilder class we have the inbuilt method. Okay, here I have used that method append. Okay, so this method is used to append the given string to the existing value of this S2. Okay, is it possible? Possible. Okay, if we use the StringBuilder class, we can add the value to the existing one. Okay, so what property is this? This is the mutable one. If we use the StringBuilder class, we can add. Okay, so that is the mutable property. But that is not present inside this string class, isn't it? Okay, and here I have created one more concat 3. This is also the user-defined function. Here I have used the static keyword. So we can call this method without the object of this class, isn't it? Here I have used the StringBuffer class. This is the object for this StringBuffer. Okay. So is it possible to add the value to the existing one? Possible. Like the StringBuilder, not like the string. Okay. So then what is the difference between the StringBuffer and StringBuilder? StringBuffer is slower performance when compared with the StringBuilder. Okay. String class is the immutable one. StringBuilder class is the mutable one. And StringBuffer is also the mutable one. But what is the difference between the StringBuilder and StringBuffer? StringBuffer is slower performance than the StringBuilder class. Got it? Append method is present inside the StringBuffer class. Okay. So I can access the append method with the help of the object of this StringBuffer class. The God is the new value. This value will be added to the existing value of this S3. Okay. And here we have the main method. Execution starts only from the main method. Okay. And here I have created the variable S1. Its data type is string. This holds the immutable property, isn't it? Okay. And here I have given the value to S1, thank. And this is our call statement. Concat 1. And inside the S1 we have the thank. So after encounter this line, the control jumps from the 35th line to the definition part. That is the 11th line. Okay. The thank will be stored inside the S1. Okay. Here, inside the S1 we have the thank, and here we have the concatenation symbol, and this is the string U. Okay. Is it possible to concatenate thank with U? No. Why? Because string is the immutable one, non-changeable one, isn't it? So, the value S1 won't be changed. Okay. And the control again jumps back to 14th line to the 37th line. Here, that value, that is the S1, that is the thank, will be printed on our console. And here I have created the S2. This is the object for StringBuilder. Okay. And a new keyword I have used, and this is the parameterized constructor for this class. And here I have given the value good. Here we have the call statement. Inside the S2 we have the good, isn't it? After encounter this line, the control jumps from the 41th line to the definition part, 17th line. Okay. And this value good will be stored inside the S2. Okay. And inside the S2 we have the good. Now I try to append the health to the existing one. Okay. Is it possible to add this health to the existing one? Yes, it's possible. Okay. So what is the value of S2 after encounter this line? Good health. Okay. And the control again jumps back from 20th line to 43rd line. So good health will be printed on our console. Okay. And here I have created the object S3 for StringBuffer. Okay. And this is the parameterized constructor for this class. And here the value, great. Okay. And this is the call statement. So the control jumps from the 47th line to the 23rd line. Okay. And this great will be stored inside the S3. So S3 holds great. Now I try to add the God to the existing great. Is it possible? Possible. Okay, because this is also the mutable one. Okay, so great God. Now the value of S3 is what? Great God. Okay, and the control again jumps back from 26th line to that 49th line. Here that value will be printed on our console. I hope you all understood about the differences between the StringBuffer and StringBuilder. Okay, let me execute this one. And here concord 1, S1 is thank. So the control comes here. Now S1 value is thank. I try to combine thank with U, but this U won't be concatenated with the thank because string is the immutable one. So thank only is displayed here. Okay, and the second one, concord 2. So S2 value is good. So concord 2 definition part is here. So here S2 value is good, isn't it? So good plus health. That's why we got good health because this is mutable one. So we can add. Okay. And again the third one, this is the call statement. So S3 value is great. Where is the definition part for this? Here. Now great is the value of S3. So God will be appended. Great God is the result for S3. That's why we got this result. Okay. So what is the differences between StringBuilder and StringBuffer? String is the immutable one. StringBuilder is the mutable one. StringBuffer is the mutable one. But StringBuffer is slower performance compared with the StringBuilder class. That's it. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.